Hello everyone! Welcome to the pronunciation video series by Bandado. My name is 𝐏𝐀𝐃𝐎. In this video, we're going to learn the O and OW sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. O. Now, we'll start with the O sound. Let's take a look at the diagram. O is a diphthong. To make this sound correctly, step 1. Start on the position of the sound. Step 2. Then close your mouth a little and become more rounded as you finish on the position of the sound or sound. Look at my mouth carefully and try your best to mimic me. O, O, O. Ow. Step 1. Open your mouth very wide for the sound. Step 2. Then glide into the sound, closing it partially. Look at my mouth carefully and try your best to mimic me. Ow, ow, ow. Moving on, we'll practice the O and OW sound. Look, listen, and repeat after me. The O sound. Road, road. Old, old. Boat, boat. Phone, phone. The OW sound. Loud, loud. Mouse, mouse. Sound, sound. Well done! Now, to improve your ability to say the O and OW sounds accurately in sentences, practice some following sentences. Look at the sentences, listen to me saying them, and then pause the video after each sentence and practice. The O sound. I don't know. I don't know. My toes are cold. My toes are cold. The OW sound. Our townhouse has a brown mouse. Our townhouse has a brown mouse. Very good. Are we allowed to speak aloud? Are we allowed to speak aloud? Well done. Next, here are some tongue twisters with the O and OW sound. Now listen and say, Joe knows those yellow roses grow slow. Joe knows those yellow roses grow slow. Joe knows those yellow roses grow slow. Great job. Brown cows howl down the crowded town. Brown cows howl down the crowded town. Brown cows howl down the crowded town. Now let's take some further practice. Exercise 1, distinguish the words. Boat, bow. The first word has the O sound, while the second word has the ow sound. Go, gown. The first word has the O sound, while the second word has the ow sound. Road, round. The first word has the O sound, while the second word has the ow sound. Cone, cow. The first word has the O sound, while the second word has the ow sound. Have you done all of these correctly? Well, let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 2. Listen and find the words which contain the sounds O and ow in its pronunciation. Number 1. Do you know where his house is and how it looks? Number 2. It's so cold. How about closing the windows? Very good. Great. Now you know how to make the right O and ow sounds in English. Try to practice more to get better results. This is your homework. Please scan this code to do it at home. Thank you and goodbye.